I'm going to jump right into a real life scenario and share my screen and show you some of the improvements we have made to presenter mode. This is all what you would have seen before. And what we've done with presenter mode, there's a new button here where I can copy and share the link easily. If I want to copy that and share it, I can do so. But what I was mentioning, when you go to Zoom, you now don't need a second device in order to control this. As a leader, everything I need to do is right here in this screen. So it's so much easier to use in a virtual meeting. And I'd encourage everybody to jump in here, add a thought, and start some thoughts. I can very easily go big, and I can navigate to the different views. So you can see there's some thoughts in here. I can add time, I can pause the timer. It's so much easier for a leader to be able to use present mode and not have to worry about the actual logistics of running a meeting. It's all right here. So once I go over here, yes, agree. Improvements have made this much easier. If I need to pause this for any reason in order to take questions, I can do that. The other great thing is I can use my keyboard. I like using the controls on the screen, which is easy for me, but there is that option as well. Okay, and then once I've presented and the presentation or the live exchange portion is over, I easily get the option here to close my exchange. That's closed. And then I'm left with, I can speak to these results.